Obviously, no one's paying you to think, clients, because if they were, they're idiots, because this is dumb. On paper, today's build makes 0 cents. A 1300 watt power supply for not 1, not 2, but 3 RX VEGA GPUs. And to host these insanely powerful graphics cards, we are using an 11-year-old platform. Now, this build is going to take me a minute. It's going to be very hard to fit all these graphics cards, including 2 liquid-cooled cards, into this NZXT H500i. Now, when I was asked to make this build, I was just about as confused as I hope you are right now. Because again, this is stupid. It's like we're in stupid dum-dum town. Only in stupid dum-dum, random, never know what the hell's going on, dum-dum stupid town does any of this actually make sense. These things are no freaking joke. And today's build calls for 2 of them. Teleport to this box being open. We've got our 2 liquid-cooled VEGA GPUs. Admittedly, again, it would be 3 if I had 3, but I only had 2 liquid-cooled and air-cooled ones, so I just had to make do. I didn't even mean to have 2 of these. I got one for free by accident. All of these insanely powerful GPUs, as I've been saying 50 times over, are going in this motherboard. What is this motherboard? This is, well, quite frankly, I don't know. Because I got it from a recycling bin. It's about 11 years old, with a CPU that, well, matches it in being about 11 years old. It is a Phenom 2X6 1090T processor, I believe. Something like that. It's a 6-core processor. It's pretty good, 6 cores, but man, would it not perform great today. So in the end, this motherboard checks all the boxes, and it costed me exactly $0 to purchase. So budget-wise, besides the fact that these are each $800 liquid-cooled cards, and this is another $600 card, but our motherboard cost is 0, so we're very happy. And as for the power supply, 1300 watts, well, I don't have a 1000 watt, which is exactly about how much these cards can draw at max pull, each one of these being a 300 watt card. So when accounting for inefficiency and all that, I'll take a 1300 watt unit just to be safe. And it was, well, the lowest I had that could actually support these. For once, I'm using a power supply that I actually kind of need. It's not even that overkill. It's insane. This is a troublesome build, and it's like 1 a.m. So, if you couldn't tell, this Asus Republic of Gamers motherboard, that is about 11 years old, is still pretty good. It was one of the highest end motherboards for this platform, and that existed at the time, with 4 PCI Express 16X slots, support for Crossfire, SLI, all that sort of stuff, and just a really pretty sick motherboard for its time. And even today, I think still holds up in terms of features. It is not good. There is no good reason to use this case for a build, not to mention one like this. It is simply the cheapest and, relatively speaking, only sacrificable case I had that could fit these components. We will have to see what happens when I try to put the rads in. I can guarantee whatever happens won't be fun. None of the screws work. Why am I even bothering? This case was made for fucking idiots. Why even bother NZXT? Why not just give up? Serious, no, NZXT, give up. Or send me free shit. One or the other. Pick one. Those are your options. Alright, with our motherboard installed, let's just, could move right onto the GPUs, and I honestly might. No, always end with the GPUs. I didn't even mount it. I used 3 screws, and that's all it has the right to. You know what? I'll give it one more, just because the top left is being a bitch. Alright, will our power supply actually fit? It will. Yeah, back here, you bastard. Woo, so fun. You know, with how little PC design choices have changed in the past few, 10, 15 years, I wouldn't blame you if you thought this red and black looking motherboard was actually relatively modern. Because it still looks pretty dang good. And it actually matched the theme of this build pretty damn well. Alright, you 24 pin. Giving ourselves plenty of room in this front here allows us to have just a lot more slack for our cables, because we really don't want them too grouped up, bunched up, and overheating out here in the back. Because any fire in this, well, I'd say about $3,000 system, plus $3,000 plus dollar system in terms of GPUs alone, it would probably be pretty bad. Yeah, I'm connecting the RGB. I specifically was told no RGB. I don't care. You're paying me to think. Obviously, no one's paying you to think, clients. Because if they were, they're idiots. Because this is dumb. Let's start off with our bottom card, actually. Our bottom card, I mounted my power supply upside down. Doesn't matter, they're all just sitting on top of one another. This is a sick looking build though, I gotta say. So far, so sick. Now, the massive amount of just sheer tubing is going to completely probably ruin the look of this build. They don't use the graphics card equivalents of Jackson Pollock paintings with their freaking massive tubing runs. I had a feeling that much like everything else, that I do, that this would not work out the way I wanted it to, so I prepared this front panel with some random case fans I found. God damn it, what the fuck is wrong with you? I can already tell that if people watch this video, they won't, because no one watches any of my videos, but if people watch this video, they'd be like, oh, why don't you zip tie the fucking tubing to the top of the case, you dumbass? And to that I'd say, fuck you, build it yourself. And just like that, in like what, 30 minutes that was, our build is completely complete. Now you may notice, I did not install a boot drive at any point in there, although there were a lot of cuts probably, because I suck. So, you couldn't tell if I did. But just know that I didn't install a boot drive, because it is right here. That's right. This is the boot drive I was given. I just had the sudden realization that there's no way to turn this thing on from the outside. Why I expected that to do fucking anything, I have no idea. Damn it. I need a longer screwdriver, one sec. Thank you, Be Quiet, for sponsoring this screwdriver. What are the odds this thing functions? My guess is that, oh my god, there's a display. There's no freaking way. It says no keyboard detected. And it says select proper boot device. Okay. That's annoying. It's one of those motherboards, oh, no keyboard detected. Fucking breaks. Do we get a functioning system? The reason people ask me for systems like this, because they know I don't give a flying fuck what they use it for. And this person, oh, we got a boot. And it appears it's a fucking mining OS. This is a mining PC. God damn it. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed me building what ended up being a mining machine. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of expected it. I kind of knew it, because what boots off of a USB? Linux. What are most fucking mining OSs based off of? Linux. What was the VEGA considered? Oh, one of the best mining graphics cards a while ago. So when you find someone who happens to have 3 that are out for loaning, yes, I do loan out cards like this. You want to rent a system like this, you come to me. I'll rent you a fucking compute box capable of doing advanced science. This could solve cancer. Instead, it's going to be used to mine for like 2 cents a day to some ass fart. That's that. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed the dumbest build I've ever done in my life, and let's hope this thing even survives the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you didn't like the video, well, I wouldn't blame you, but if you made it this far, chances are you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Peace.